After creating the blockbuster song Param Sundari with the legendary and king of original music, A.R. Rahman, Kriti Sanon is back with another hit. The new song is Bansuri. The song should already be declared as a massive hit. In just 2-3 days, the song is going to hit millions of views on YouTube. The sensational Kriti Sanon is so much popular among the audience for last few years. She is really good-looking actress and she has a much deserving talent. The duo has already worked in previous movie also. Now let's talk about the review of the song. Nowadays, navel showing and legs showing has become the unavoidable part of the songs and movies, which can be seen in this song also. You may have noticed some special moves of Kriti in the beginning of this video, but it is okay. They have to add such scenes to make the song super hit. Due to the copyright restrictions, we cannot play the song in this video. However, you can see some clips of the song here. As far as the music is concerned, it is given by Sachin and Jigar. They have given the mesmerizing hits in the past. Their music is always unique and new. In the starting of the song, you may feel the resemblance of the song tune with the Bihari folk song that was also previously used by Badshah in his song. But that is just for starting. Afterwards, the tune is new. The resemblance also can be felt with other songs, yet the overall song is good. The beats in the music were already once used by Sachin Jigar in their song Don't Be Shy Again from movie Wala. As the music label and composers are the same, it is going to happen. Still, Sachin Jigar are not defamed for copying music. The interesting fact is, the previous song was Don't Be Shy Again, and in this song, the same beats are used for I am feeling very very shy lines. Another copy or resemblance you can say is with Kala Doreya song from Kala Kandi movie of Saif. Copy mix of various songs. That is a small portion of the second para of the song. The chorus is good. Flute is also good. Now let's talk about the dance. Dance is very very energetic. Especially Kriti is on fire. She danced like a goddess. Nothing to comment upon her beauty. That's self-explanatory. But the overall dance is not at all new. It is like more or less what we see in any movies. No new steps. No new camera angles. Audience has fed up with such dance numbers. People want to see something new like it was in Param Sundari and Nadeo Par song. Just ignore the copy and dance. Overall song is very very catchy. It sure is going to be a dance number. Sony really understand their audience very well. This year it is going to be a second hit of Kriti Sanon with Sony Music, Param Sundari and then this song.